Qingdao Longshore Metal Products Company Limited was established in 2009. Qingdao Longshore is an enterprise with product design, production, and exporting. Our company has 13,000 square meters workshop and warehouse. Our mainly products are metal, such as tool cabinets, workbenches, toolbox, wooden building accessories. Our company products export to North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Our company has established a complete production system, inspection system, and delivery process. And we have advanced machine, experienced worker, and engineer. The QC strictly controls the quality of products and delivery time. Our company is located in the beautiful coastal city of Qingdao. Luting Airport is 8 kilometers away, and the Qingdao Port is 60 kilometers away from our company. It's convenient for shipping out products to all over the world. At present, for expand output of our products, our company has built a long-term cooperation agreement with a big factory, which with 20,000 square meters workshop. The factory has advanced Japanese equipment and experienced workers to meet all customers' quality requirements. Our company supply warehouse stock service and can help customer purchase and check other products from other factories. We can offer you our best service. Finally, welcome to visit our factory and have a good cooperation with you.